Hi again everyone, this is Ron Yeaw with the Secure Message Macro Development Team. I'd like to take a few minutes and step you through the functions and capabilities of this marvelous macro. The Secure Message Macro takes information from RelayHealth and puts it automatically into AHLTA for you via T-Con. It also supports creating encounters for regular T-Cons as well. To set this macro up, the first thing you have to do is have a T-Con open in AHLTA and have access to the secure message text you're looking to transfer. I already have AHLTA open to a T-Con with a test patient, and RelayHealth open to the demo site. I've also already highlighted a completed cycle of communication here, and I'm ready to fire off the macro. First thing you'll see is a pop-up with 28 common diagnoses and symptoms for you to choose from. You'll notice I'm using the nurse role for this demo, and I've also selected web visit for the type of T-Con we'll be entering. To run the macro, I simply select an appropriate diagnosis or symptom. In this case, cough. At this point, the macro takes over. In the T-Con quick entry screen, it documents several things for you in the disposition, and more specifically enters a proper E&M code, in this case the 99499. It also is added in the cough ICD-9 code as well. With the symptom, the E&M code, now it's time to add in the procedure. Because I chose a nurse role and selected a web T-Con, I need to add in a 98969 CPT code for the online web visit. At this point, the macro is going to take you into the AP section and over to the Procedures tab. And here you see the 98969 procedure code added in. With a diagnosis, E&M, and procedure in place, the final thing to do is add in the bulk of the RelayHealth information into the Add Note section. So now you see the Add Note opening up with the secure message text being pasted inside. With the Add Note complete, the macro takes you back to the T-Con entry screen if you'd like to add some additional comments in the Notes field. I'll use as you type to add in some cough-related comments. With this done, let's take a look at the complete encounter. We have an SO section, we have an AP section with both a diagnosis and a procedure, and we have an Add Note section. With the entire AHLTA encounter complete, I'd also like to show you a few additional features of this amazing macro. First, while the Secure Message Macro is designed primarily as a vehicle to transfer information from RelayHealth to AHLTA, the Secure Message Macro will actually allow you to create a complete encounter for any type of T-Con. Simply select the T-Con type and hit go. The macro will select the correct combination of CPT and E&M code for you for every T-Con every time. The only real difference you'll see is in these other choices, the macro will not need to reach out to RelayHealth, and therefore no add note will be created. Additionally, the Secure Message Macro comes with a complete online help guide. By pressing the Show Help button, you'll access the online tutorial. Inside this document, you'll find everything you need to set up, run, and customize the Secure Message Macro, as well as troubleshoot anything that could occur. In addition to the help guide, the Secure Message Macro also comes with a demo video. You're watching that now. You also have the ability to customize your own diagnosis buttons within the Secure Message Macro. If I were to select Change Diagnosis Codes, a text file would show up. Here I can change the labels or respective ICD-9 codes for any of these buttons. Or, if I deleted some buttons, selected Save, and selected Reload Diagnosis Codes, you'll see I have an updated button dashboard. This is perfect for customizing the Secure Message Macro for the needs of your own clinic. Well, that's the demo. I hope you are as excited about the Secure Message Macro as we are. If you have any feedback or suggestions for how to improve this wonderful tool, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you for your time.